All right, today let's talk about the Chinese electric vehicle maker Nio. Now, they're making some serious waves, but maybe not for the reasons you'd expect. It's not just about the cars they're building, it's about how they're building them. We're going to dive into how Nio is blurring the lines between being a car company and, well, an AI powerhouse.
And that really gets to the heart of the matter, doesn't it? Is Nio just another car company that happens to use some cool AI? Or are we watching them morph into something totally different? An AI company that just happens to build cars. Let's figure it out. Okay, so first things first, let's look at the hardware. Their newest ride is the flagship SUV, the ES9. We've gotten a sneak peek thanks to some regulatory filings, and wow, it looks like Nio is really trying to set a new standard here.
I mean, just look at the size of this thing. It's the biggest SUV Nio has ever built. It's absolutely massive. And under the hood, you've got this powerful dual motor setup that cranks out a total of 520 kilowatts. But, what does a number like that actually feel like on the road?
It feels like 700 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right, 700. That is just an insane amount of power for a vehicle this big. It's pretty clear they're not just aiming for a comfy family cruiser. This thing is built for performance. And of course, it is jammed packed with all the latest tech. We're talking steer-by-wire for super precise handling, a hydraulic suspension for that buttery smooth ride, and even rear-wheel steering to make it easier to park. But as cool as this SUV is, the real story, the thing that's truly changing the game for Nio, isn't what they're building, it's how they're building it. And this is where it gets really interesting. China's biggest news channel, CCTV, did a whole feature on Nio and dropped this bombshell of a statement. So why on earth would a national news outlet look at a car manufacturer and call it an AI company? Well, the answer isn't in the car's touchscreen display. It's deep inside the factory. The real innovation is happening on the assembly line, where Nio is using artificial intelligence to completely overhaul quality control. So, forget about a guy with a clipboard walking around and ticking boxes. Nio has this fully automated 3-minute AI inspection process. A brand new car just rolls into the station, and the AI triggers the car to basically inspect itself, testing over 1,000 different functions. Then, infrared robots scan the whole thing, checking everything from the heated seats to personalized settings. It's wild. And the result? This AI-driven system is over 10 times more efficient than the old-school manual way. Now think about that. In the crazy competitive EV market, a leap like that isn't just about saving a few minutes. It means better quality, fewer problems down the road, and getting cars to customers way faster than your rival. To make all this magic happen, you need an army of robots, over 900 of them. But here's the really important part. These robots have kind of graduated from just doing simple repetitive tasks. They're now handling the really complex, brainy work of intelligent quality control. Now, this AI inspection system is super impressive, but it's not happening in a vacuum. It's actually just one piece of a much, much bigger vision that Nio calls NeoPark. So what is NeoPark? Well, imagine an industrial park where Nio has basically convinced its most important suppliers to build their own factories right next door. It's not just a factory anymore. It's one giant, interconnected hub for making cars. We're talking 10 major suppliers making really crucial parts. Seats, chassis, glass, all right there on site. Having everything so close together is the secret sauce to unlocking some absolutely massive efficiencies. So, how do all those parts get from the supplier to the main assembly line? Not on trucks. Nope. They travel through this network of what Nio calls aerial transport corridors. Basically, a futuristic system of enclosed conveyor belts that connect all of the factories together. The payoff for all this is just staggering. By completely getting rid of trucks and all the usual logistics for its main suppliers, Nio saves about 3,000 yuan. That's over $400 per car. And that saving goes straight to the bottom line. That's a huge competitive advantage. Now, this whole manufacturing city, it didn't just pop up by accident. Nio's innovation is actually the beating heart of a gigantic economic strategy being driven by its home province, Anhui. And the provincial government has some incredibly ambitious goals. By 2025, they want to be the #1 producer of EVs in the entire country. And by 2026, they want their auto industry to be worth 1 trillion yuan. They are not messing around. And their whole plan is built on 3 key pillars. Nio's strategy is basically the perfect poster child for the first two. using AI everywhere and building a super efficient industrial ecosystem. Then the government steps in with the third piece, boosting sales with incentives. It's a really powerful partnership.
Okay, so after looking at the car, the factory, and the entire regional strategy, what are the big lessons here? What should we take away from the Nio playbook?
Well, first, the shiny new car is just the beginning. The real revolution is in how it's made. Second, AI is fundamentally changing the game in manufacturing, making it faster and better. Third, these hyper-integrated supply chains like NeoPark are a recipe for huge cost savings. And finally, the innovation of just one company can become the engine for a whole region's economy. Which really leaves us with this one big idea. In the dog-eat-dog world of electric vehicles, the race isn't just about who can design the coolest, fastest car anymore. It's quickly becoming about who can figure out how to build cars better.